Hello everybody, today I'm doing another one of my art videos and we're just getting right into this because I know people don't like the chit chat, so we're going to fold from one corner to the other and then we're going to switch sides and do the exact same thing. If I'm ever going too fast for y'all, please pause the video because I don't want to be going ahead of you guys. So now we're going to flip it up so that it looks kind of like a diamond and less like a square, and we're going to fold the top corner down into the middle line. And actually this heart is so easy and so quick. It came together so much quicker than you would have thought. So now we're folding the bottom corner all the way up to the top. Don't get mistaken, it's not the middle, it's up at the top. And okay, now we're almost done with the hearts. We are just going to, you see that line in the middle? You can't see it very well on mine, but you will definitely be able to see it on yours. You're going to fold it up over there, and boom, one side of the heart is done. Boom, the other side is done. See, I told you it was quicker than you thought it was going to be. So now we just have to add some final touches, and then we're going to be finished, like folding those top parts in and folding the side corners in. And so this is going to make it look a lot more rounded at the top. Now, of course, it's not going to look completely rounded. If you want a rounded heart, then you're just going to get some scissors, get a sheet of paper, draw a heart, cut it out. But this is more for like the origami thing. So now we're going to flip it back over, and it already looks like a heart, but I like to go a little bit extra, and I'm going to give it a little face. And it doesn't look amazing at first, but it will look much better when I'm done. So we're just going to give it some eyes. You can copy the same face if you want to, but the coolest thing about art is that you can do it however you want to. So if you want to make your own completely different face or your own completely different style, that's perfectly fine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And for all my artsy people who want to learn how to draw, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you can come and draw and do some origami with me. And bye everybody. Please enjoy your super quick and super easy origami hearts. Love you all.